Hi, this is VZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn on Firewall on MacBook. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. To turn on the Firewall on your MacBook, of course, you can go to your system preferences. And from here, I can go to Security and Privacy. From General, you can go to Firewall. You can turn this on, but before that, to make change, you can click on the log icon in here and enter your password. And you can turn on your firewall in here. So now your firewall on MacBook is on. A firewall on MacBook is a built-in security feature that protects your Mac from unwanted incoming connection from the internet or other networks. It works by monitoring and controlling network traffic based on the security rules, preventing unauthorized access with while still allowing necessary communication for things like software updates or approved sharing services. So don't forget to lock this setting like this, and that's it. It's very simple, right? So that is how to turn on Firewall on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.